When it comes to gaming, it is very important to choose the right kind of gaming chair that can give you the comfort, style statement, and an overall stress-free gaming experience. ASUS is a leader when it comes to gaming laptops, desktops, and gaming accessories. The company has also recently launched its first gaming chair called the ROG Chariot gaming chair, and we're going to show you how to assemble one from scratch. So let's go ahead and build it up. Inside the box, you get the metal wheelbase, which is quite sturdy. You also get the backrest, the soft and cushiony detachable lumbar support, the seat base with the handrests already attached, the side covers with bolts, 5 wheels, the telescoping cover, the hydraulic lift cylinder, and the control unit, which lets you control the recline position of the ROG Chariot gaming chair. So here's a look at everything that comes inside the box. So let's start assembling it. We'll start with the metal base. Insert the push lock type wheels into the base one by one. Next, insert the hydraulic lift cylinder into the center hole of the base. Place the telescoping cover on top of the hydraulic lift cylinder. Now, let us work on the chair seat. Flip the chair seat over facing down. Now use the hex key to remove the pre-assembled bolts and washers from the seat base. Install the control unit and make sure you tighten all the bolts. Now insert the top of the hydraulic lift cylinder into the mounting hole of the control unit. Now let's assemble the backrest of the chair. Again, use the hex key to remove the pre-assembled bolts and washers from the backrest. Position the backrest carefully between the brackets. Now insert and attach the 4 bolts you removed and use the hex key to tighten them. Install the side covers and tighten the bolts. The covers are marked L for left side and R for right side on the inside. And you're done. So our ROG Chariot gaming chair is now ready for use for a comfortable gaming experience. Stay tuned for the next video, which talks about the features of the ROG Chariot gaming chair. If you like the video, please like, share and comment below. And subscribe to our channel for more videos.